Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete profile photo on Peachat. So without any further ado, let's get started. Simply open up Peachat application. Click on the icon on the top left corner. Tap on Edit Your Profile. Tap on your profile photo. Tap on 3 vertical dot on the top right corner. Tap on Delete. And if you are sure, then tap on Delete once again. And that is how you can easily delete profile photo on Peachat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.